Hello again. Now we will talk about customer portal. The customer portal is the place where the customer can raise requests. To find this and customize this portal, let's start together. First of all, you have to go to project setting, portal setting. Here you can find the portal link. Let's copy it. Here you can rename the portal name, the introduction text. You can add logo. For example, let's add a logo of any medical picture. Load. Here you can add announcements, and we will talk about announcements later on. Now, to activate the portal, go to portal groups, create a group. Let's create two groups, one for the medical approval issue type and another for the card issue type. Let's call it medical approval and request form, hospital approval, pharmacy approval, and save. I want to create another group for the card, rename it medical card, save, request form, activate my card, deactivate my card, renewal, and save. Now go to request types, open for example the activate my card request type. Here are the fields that will appear in the portal. We also need to add some fields, for example, card expiry date, card number. I want these fields to be required, so it's required. I don't want the customer to read card expiry date field. So I wanted to change the name on the portal to when the card will be expired. Okay, save changes. I don't want it to be required. Okay, can also add here hospital approval, for example, the policy number and the description. I want the policy number to be required and add as a description for policy number. Please type your policy number and save changes. Now let's go to the portal. Here I can find the portal as a customer. Medical approval. Here I can find the hospital approval or pharmacy approval, or get back to another group, medical card, activate my card, deactivate my card, or renew. Let's raise the request as medical approval, hospital approval. Here I can find the summary, required fields. Example, please approve the hospital inquiry, policy number ABCE 12, send. Okay, I can follow up with my request here. I can raise another request with a medical card, activate my card, can find the summary, Please reactivate my card. Write the card number. Here, the field name was expiry date, but it appeared to the customer when the card will be expired. It will be expired next Feb. Send. Let's go back to the project and see the tickets the customer recently created. Please reactivate my card. Card number, card expiry date, and I can work on the ticket. If I made it to in progress, the customer will see here that the ticket is in progress. He can view all his requests through this tab created by me. Thank you for watching and see you in the upcoming videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you.